Hi, in this video, I'd like to give you an overview of the ISF dashboard. So once you've logged into your account, you will see your ISF dashboard. The first thing you will notice is the date range. Here you can select any date range that works for you. You can select last month, you can select today's date, or last 2 weeks, or last 6 months. So it's completely up to you. You will see the other filters will be available for you here, so you can actually select estimated date of arrival. You can filter out specific bill of lading numbers or the US ports here. You can also filter out by specific statuses or events, so you can select, for example, accepted one, rejected ones, or you can also filter out by event. So if you just want to see the shipments that are on hold, you can select this box. So for example, if you just want to see the rejected ones, you can select the rejected box and click search, and now you will see you have one rejected one. Or you can select any of the other statuses or events as well. The other thing that you will see on your dashboard are these boxes. So the first thing you will see how many drafts you have. So this is something that you've created but you haven't sent to CBP. You can also see how many you've sent to CBP, how many are under rejected status. So CBP have rejected it, so you would need to go ahead and correct it, and you can send it again. You can also see how many have been accepted, how many shipments are on hold, and how many shipments have been released. You can also click on the create button to create the ISF manually. If you would like to upload your file, you can select the upload option, and then you will see your table here. So here you will see different house bill of lading numbers, and you will see the statuses. You can also use these filters as well. So if you want to filter out like a specific bill of lading number, you can just start typing the number here. And of course you can use other filters here, so you can filter out by last event, submission type, shipment type, and so on. And you can also go ahead and select the bill of lading numbers, and you can download it into a report here. So you can download it into CSV, Excel, or JSON format files if you would like. And then once you're ready, if you want to send it, you can go ahead and click send to send it to CBP. If you need to cancel any of the accepted ones, you can select cancel and send it as a cancel as well. And of course, if you want to delete any of the drafts, you can go ahead and delete them as well. The other thing you can do here is you can also select the columns that you would like to see on your table. If you don't want to see any of the columns, you can uncheck them here, or if you want to add them back, you can just check them here, and then they will appear in your table. And then you'll also have the flexibility in terms of moving the columns, so you can go ahead and drag and drop them. And so if you just want to see the submission type here, you can drag it here, and so on. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thanks very much for watching.